let me just do that whole thing again. I was like, okay. Fuck. This is amazing. Today we're gonna take a deep dive into the world of bathrooms and the challenges to make them look and feel great. Bathrooms, the sanctuary where we start and end our days, but beware my friends, there are some common design mistakes lurking in the shadows. Fear not, I'm here to give you the guide on how to avoid them and transform your bathroom into a heavenly retreat. Welcome back to my channel. If you've not met me before, my name is Phoenix Gray, aka Design Daddy, and on this channel we talk about everything interior design and making your space feel like a home regardless if you own or even if you're renting. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mr. Phoenix Gray, where you can see all my daily tips and tricks. The first mistake that is very common is overcrowding the bathroom. We love shit. And no, not that kind. I can't believe I said that. The allure of accessories and knickknacks is tempting, but avoid turning your bathroom into a cluttered mess. It's essential to create a serene atmosphere. You do not need the matching bathroom sets with the toothbrush holder, the soap pump, the tray, the toilet brush, and the garbage all on display. Select a few statement pieces that complement your theme and store away all those unnecessary items in a concealed storage space. Think of the necessary items that you use every day that are actually gonna have out. Listen, bathrooms are typically pretty small, and the last thing you want to do is make them feel more cluttered and smaller by overloading the counter space. Poor lighting, I should honestly have up there with one of the biggest mistakes that you can have. Lighting is everything, my friends. A poorly lit bathroom can dampen your spirits and really make those small spaces look even smaller. Your standard builder grade lights above the mirror are usually horrid. I like to call them the unholy trinity, honestly, as these lights are usually a 3-bulb system that are ugly as hell, and they're almost impossible to find ones that actually look nice and suit the style of the space. If you have the opportunity to replace one of these, do so immediately. If you're renovating or have the option of moving electrical forward, I will always recommend 2 smaller wall sconces on each side of the mirror. This will always give you the perfect illumination so you look your best. And if you want to take it a step further, look at the color temperature of the bulbs. Make sure that they're between 2700 and 3500. This way you can have a warm white illumination that's the most flattering color temperature for your skin. And if you're applying makeup in here, it makes it so much easier to get that best color match. Many bathrooms have excellent general lighting, but often overlooked in the shower area. To fix this, let's add a waterproof or at least a damp rated, well-sealed recessed light in the shower, or perhaps a waterproof LED strip along the edge. Proper shower lighting not only enhances the ambience, but also ensures safety during use. Trust me, there are so many incidents I've heard of that have happened in the shower. Neglecting proper ventilation in a bathroom is a cardinal sin, honestly. The last thing you want to do is go into a bathroom that someone has just used and, let's say it smells like absolute shit. And no one wants it. Trust me, I am the last person that wants to come to a bathroom, and I know who was in there before and what you ate the night before.
What? I didn't have any corn!
Also, stepping out of a steamy shower to a fogged up bathroom is never pleasant. Make sure your bathroom has a proper ventilation to prevent mold and mildew is one of the most important pieces of information I can give you. The amount of crappy CFM rated fans I've seen honestly blows my mind. If you have the option to replace, or if you're renovating, always calculate the square footage of the bathroom of what you need. Or if you're renovating, always calculate the square footage of the bathroom so you need the proper rating to what is needed for your space. Your standard bathroom is usually a 7-foot by 10-foot, so I would recommend between 70 and an 80 CFM rating for the average 70 square foot bathroom. In any design that I do, I typically have the toilet room in a separate area of the bathroom, room permitting that is, because not everyone has the space for this. That way you can isolate the smells to a smaller room and have an extractor fan that actually removes the stink instead of having it linger in larger bathrooms. Another note that you may not think of is if you have a vaulted ceiling or a skylight, the excess moisture can actually collect here and dampen the drywall finish. Make sure you have proper ventilation here, otherwise you're gonna have a costly addition to fix down the line. Skimping on storage is another major issue that I see a lot of clients not plan for. Lack of storage can lead to chaos.
Professor Chaos!
Trust me, I am a neat freak and need everything in its own space. The last thing you want to do is have your bathroom essentials in another room or just stored out of the way that you don't use regularly. Make use of vertical spaces and consider installing shelves or cabinets. A well-organized bathroom is a happy bathroom. And one of my favorite ways to utilize space is having drawers in the vanity instead of cabinets. This way you can actually use all the space under your sink. Unless you have storage racks to use the double height in these cabinets, you're wasting all that necessary space space that is absolutely needed in a bathroom. Plants are a designer's best friend. Not incorporating greenery in a bathroom is honestly a missed opportunity. I know most bathrooms have little or sometimes no light at all, but trust me, there are some low light, low maintenance plants that can survive, like pothos, ZZ plants, or even snake plants. The great thing about these is that they also purify the air, adding a touch of freshness that you can have hanging or on display. If your bathroom has no light at all, I would recommend at least bringing these plants to the window for some natural light source every few days to just keep up the growth. The overuse of monochrome with the myth of believing it makes your space look larger. Beware, the all white and all black bathroom can feel cold and stark. To avoid this, let's introduce a little bit of contrast and balance. If you have a predominantly white bathroom, add some black accents with black features such as a dark colored vanity, or on the other hand, if you have a bathroom that has mostly dark features, lighten it up with some light or even some light colored towels with accessories. The harmony between light and dark will give you more depth and sophistication to your bathroom design. And if you have the opportunity to bring in a warmer wood tone, I will always recommend it, as it's completely going to elevate the look. Here's another major mistake that can disrupt your bathroom flow, is disregarding the layout. Imagine walking into a bathroom with the toilet right next to the entrance, not the most welcoming sight, or even having it in plain view with the door that's left open. To fix this, let's pay attention to the natural flow of the space. Consider placing the toilet in a more private corner, or if you have the space, like I mentioned before, is to have a completely separate toilet room in the bathroom to isolate those smells and the view of the toilet altogether. Another great thing is to ensure that the essential fixtures are well spaced for easy movements for when you're actually using them. I'm referring to robes and towel bars, or even hooks if you prefer to have them by the shower or tub. The amount of times I see design magazines featuring beautiful bathrooms without any hook in sight or a towel blows my mind. It usually has a random styled stool with a towel near it in the wet areas, and honestly, no one has the room to just have a random stool with their towels on it. It is not practical for everyday life. By optimizing the layout, your bathroom will feel more inviting and actually functional. I don't know about you, but I'm a bit of a neat freak, and the biggest mistake that I see in designs, especially in condos and rental units, is not having a hand wand in the shower or the tub area. Many bathrooms have fixed shower heads that limit the flexibility and convenience for actual cleaning. Consider adding a hand shower to your tub or shower area with a new diverter, or an attachment with the built-in head. A hand shower offers the versatility, allowing you to rinse off in hard to reach areas instead of having to bring a bowl in and actually clean and splash water around if you're cleaning your shower or your tub. That is the last thing you want to do, is to have to bring all these extra utensils to clean your space. Whether it's a quick rinse or a leisurely bath, a hand shower is a practical addition that elevates the functionality and comfort of your bathroom. And there you have it, my friends, a comprehensive guide on the common bathroom mistakes that I see in my field and how to fix them. Remember, your bathroom is not just a functional space, but a canvas for self-expression and relaxation. And regardless of its size, it should be comfortable that you are in, because we spend a lot more time in it than you think you do. Be sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You can always follow me on all my socials at Mr. Phoenix Gray. And remember, if you're ever second guessing yourself, just think, what would Design Daddy do? Ugh!